Hi, today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Alpilean before you buy it. I also have two very important warnings, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Alpilean is, be careful about the website from which you are going to buy Alpilean, because Alpilean is only sold on the official website. Avoid falling for scams, okay? To help you out, I've left the link to the official Alpilean website below in the description of this video. So what is Alpilean? Does this product really work? The answer is yes. Alpilean works, and after many laboratory tests, researchers have identified that there's a shocking new cause for belly fat. In 2022, after studying over 170 years of scientific data, they discovered that when the body temperature is normal, calorie burning is fast and effortless. When the body's internal temperature is low, its metabolism is slow. And for every drop in internal body temperature, your metabolism slows down by 13% or more. This is why Alpilean is unlike anything you have ever experienced in your life before. Because it is one of the only products in the world with a blend of 6 alpine nutrients and plants designed to target and optimize low core body temperature, which is a new cause of unexplained weight gain. When it targets this internal temperature of your body, you will electrify your dormant metabolism into full fat burning mode in addition to increased energy. Inside each Alpilean capsule contains 6 ingredients that are clinically proven, responsible for targeting the internal body temperature, causing the slight loss of calories. These ingredients are golden seaweed, African mango seed, morina leaf, bigarad orange, ginger root, and turmeric root. Therefore, the Alpilean formula is 100% natural with vegetable ingredients. It is non-GMO and easy to swallow, and contains no stimulants. So you can take it without any objections because it has no side effects. Alpilean does work, and you can trust this product. Many people are having excellent results with Alpilean, and you can achieve them too. However, you need to keep in mind that every body reacts in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I am saying this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. Also, for Alpilean to work, you have to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every day. Take 1 capsule of Alpilean with a large glass of cold water every day. Its patented tailored blend of natural ingredients will get to work dissolving fat for you, even when you are sleeping. You may see initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. There is also something very interesting about Alpilean that you need to know before you buy it. You can test Alpilean for 60 days, and if you don't see the results, or if you don't like it for any reason, they will refund your money without any explanation needed. So, I'm recording this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website where you buy Alpilean, and also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be different than anyone else's because each body acts in a unique and singular way. I hope this video has helped you, and I also hope that Alpilean really helps you a lot to improve your life. And many other benefits that this product promotes. See you later!